Now just by coincidence, I found this little private garment factory. Let's call it a factory. It's actually a workshop. And that lady, she's making textile for clothing. Okay, she's here with her daughter. I will show you her product. So this skirt, kiyada kaunaka? Edas desiya. She's telling us the price. So this one would be more or less like 6 euros or 5 euros, depending on the exchange rate if the rupees is still going down. This one, kiyada kaunaka? Okay. And this nice one here? 800 rupees for that whatever, skirt or blouse, or I don't know how to call that. And this one, very interesting design. 500. You speak English. 500 rupees. That would be 2 euros 50 for this printed cloth skirt. Please.
Lace cotton.
Lace cotton. She knows, of course, everything about the stuff she's doing. And this local size kiyada, this like for the home, huh? Kiyada? 800 rupees only. You have a phone number on the board, which I was filming at the beginning. Look, here are her patterns. She's doing this. Yes, of course. And she can make your own pattern too. Look, she has a little box for saving something. And here are the dresses for little children, girls. So this one, kiyada, this nice one. Mokada?
200, 300.
Full dress, 300 rupees. Podakina. This dress, kiyada. Full complete with the textile included, all complete. Tunsia, and you this selling? Tunsia rupee? Rupiah tunsia? Kodak labai, no? Huh? Now I don't know if there's a misunderstanding. If you speak Sinhalese, she said apparently that this dress, Karunaka, I will just want to make it sure. This dress, Mudai Kiyada. Kiyada. 300 rupees. How can you beat that price? That's like €1.50. I mean, the Chinese cannot compete with that, luckily for them. So I think that you saw that the prices are most reasonable. She is having, of course, not many expenses because that place seems to belong to her. That's good. And she has a nice machine from this Chinese machine, or what is Chinese machine with a Singer name on it? No, marketed by Singer. Okay, Singer is just marketing this, but who knows what kind of Singer that is. So your phone number is there, huh? I have phone number. Customers. I began. So here you can see that there's also metrage textiles. She will make a dress into this. Isn't that nice? It's so beautiful. I mean, everybody has a taste. Her visit card. My God, very good. So we're gonna make a close-up on this one. There's her phone number in Sri Lanka, and on the back side you can write something yourself. Now I will show you just the environment of this place. So there's her private restroom, and here we have that forest, lush forest all around. And I stopped first because of these huge flowers. I never saw such high kind of sunflowers. I think 5 meters high. So that's why I stopped first, and then I discovered this little place here. And I make a video about it because it's just typical that this kind of small roadside businesses can survive in Sri Lanka. Now she's selling a piece of cloth. Goodbye, it's Tuti. I will leave her at her business. Here we go. So it's nice to so easily make samples of businesses which are still running in Sri Lanka despite all the corona restrictions, crises and whatever. These people always keep their head up and they have their livelihoods through their own efforts.